Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.75, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying up above there would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that will be down here at the bottom of this little consolidation, and that's at about $2.63. So near term, 275, 263. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon going into things. But that's where the purple line there comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet extremely efficient way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, staying above 275 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of sellers and where the levels of resistance are, pretty straightforward right now. Late this afternoon, on several occasions, the price tried to get up through $2.90 and couldn't do it. So $2.90 where the sellers are at. All in all, though, sure, it's got that little speed bump right there, but, very, very healthy day, very, very strong day. And as long as the price now starts to build higher bases, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on putting in those higher lows and sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.